Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to set a status message on Microsoft Teams using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and account for Microsoft Office 365. This can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to the desktop application. So we're gonna go all the way down to the dock. Let's now go to Launchpad. Go to Mac Office, go to Microsoft Teams, let that load and make sure you are signed into the account. So in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to change the status availability. We went through available, busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, appear offline, duration, and resetting of the status. In this tutorial, we are now focusing on how to set a status message. So let's click on this. Type @ to mention someone in your status, or let's just quickly write a status message. Hello, I am available for 5 hours. Show when people message me. Yes. Clear status message after. Let's just say 4 hours and click on done. So now when somebody was to message me or messages me, this status will be sent to them. So let me try that on my other account using my iPhone, and the status of the admin shows me, hello, I am available for 5 hours. As you can see on screen via the screenshot. So we can now quit Microsoft Teams. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.